Do you wish to learn the modal verb might? Do you wish to learn all the uses of might? Do you wish to know what is the meaning of the modal verb might? If your answer is yes, then stay with me in this video till the end. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have the complete clarity about the modal verb might. You will be able to use the modal verb might confidently. Hi friends, this is Muhyiddin Sheikh and I welcome you to International Speakers Academy. If you have subscribed our channel, thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe it right now. Hit the bell icon to get the notification regularly. If you get some value from this video, like the video as well. At the end of video, I always call you to the action. That is the key to learning. If you take action to my call to action, then that is going to improve your language to a great extent. If you want to become an elite English communicator, join our online English communication master training program. In order to join the program, you can WhatsApp us on the number given below. We'll get back to you. So let's get started. Friends, as I have explained to you, the word might, M-I-G-H-T, might, is a modal verb. And we will learn all the uses of might. The modal verb might is used. Modal verb might का use किया जाता है as past tense of may in indirect speech. Well, if you have to speak a sentence in indirect speech and where you have to use may, then instead of may, might will be used. Right? So जब आप might का यूज करते हैं तो उसका मीनिंग हो जाएगा हिंदी में शायद, शायद दे या शायद देगा. Right? So might is used for not 100% sure. When there is some doubt or possibility or probability, then we use might. So over here, he said that he might come. उसने कहा कि शायद वो आए, शायद वो आएगा. This is indirect speech. Indirect speech, as you have learned, direct speech is called when you have to copy the exact sentence the speaker spoke, right? So that is called direct speech. Number 2, to indicate permission. Whenever you have to ask permission, for that might can be used as well. Might I use your pen? क्या मैं आपका पेन यूज कर सकता हूं? Might I see you tomorrow? क्या मैं आपसे कल मिल सकता हूं? इंग्लिश में for permission there are lots of vocabularies, lots of word you can use for permission. So modal verb shall also can be used, should can also be used, will can be used, would can be used, can be used, and could can also be used. So similarly, you can also use, where you use could, at that place you can use might as well. जहां पे आप could use करते हैं, इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में मैंने बताया है कि आप could कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. could की सारी यूजेस हैं. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसे आप जरूर देखिए. उसी तरह जब आप किसी से परमिशन लेना हो तो सेमी फॉर्मल के लिए आप माइट का यूज कर सकते हैं. माइट आई यूज योर पेन, क्या मैं आपका पेन यूज कर सकता हूं? माइट आई सी यू टुमारो, क्या मैं आपसे कल मिल सकता हूं? नाउ वी विल सी द रूल नंबर 3. टू इंडिकेट पॉसिबिलिटी. पॉसिबिलिटी मतलब कोई इम्कान को बताने के लिए. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि माइट का हिंदी में मीनिंग हो जाता है शायद, राइट? Means you are not sure, right? You are not sure. Then at that point of time we use might. So it might rain. शायद बारिश हो सकती है. He might lie to us. वो शायद हमसे झूठ बोल सकता है. I might not come tomorrow. मैं शायद कल नहीं आ सकता हूँ या शायद मैं कल नहीं आऊंगा. So friends, these are the 3 rules for might. Nicely you practice it Understand first, then practice, practice, and practice. You can write down the sentences of your own, following the rules, and then you try to speak them so that your tongue gets used to it. Now, I would like you to do two things. Write down in comment box, what did you learn? And number two, what more you would like to learn? If you have got some value from this video, please share this video with your friends, family members, and acquaintances. Thank you very much for watching this video. I catch you in next video with another topic. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe.